Juicing is taking the world by storm. People everywhere are discovering the incredible health benefits that come from enjoying delicious homemade juices. It's an easy and fun way to flood your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. And the best part? There are countless flavor combinations to explore. Whether you crave the sweetness of berries, the vibrancy of citrus fruits, or the earthiness of leafy greens, there's a perfect juice recipe waiting for you. Join me on this journey as we unlock the incredible health benefits of juicing. Imagine starting your day with a glass of sunshine in the form of a bright orange and mango juice. Or picture yourself winding down with a soothing blend of cucumber, spinach, and lime. Juicing isn't just about the delicious flavors. It's about providing your body with the tools it needs to thrive. When you juice, you're essentially extracting the life force of fruits and vegetables, concentrating their nutrients into a readily absorbable form. This means your body can access and utilize these nutrients quickly and efficiently, giving you a natural boost of energy and vitality. Let's dive into the world of juicing and discover how it can transform your health. One of the most remarkable benefits of juicing is the incredible nutrient density it offers. Think of it this way: when you drink a glass of juice, you're consuming the concentrated goodness of multiple fruits and vegetables. This means you're getting a powerful dose of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that your body needs to function at its best. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants, and juicing allows you to consume a wider variety of these antioxidant-rich foods in greater quantities than you might normally eat. Consider this. Could you eat a whole head of kale, a cup of spinach, 2 apples, a cucumber, and a lemon in one sitting? Probably not. But you could easily drink a delicious juice made with all of those ingredients. This incredible nutrient density can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. From boosting your immune system to supporting healthy skin, the nutrients found in juices work synergistically to nourish and revitalize your body from the inside out. Feeling weighed down and sluggish after meals? Juicing might just be the digestive boost you need. When you juice fruits and vegetables, you're breaking down the fiber, making them easier for your body to digest and absorb. This means your digestive system doesn't have to work as hard, giving it a much-needed break and allowing your body to access the nutrients more efficiently. Many people struggle with digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Juicing can be particularly beneficial for those with these concerns because it provides a gentle and easily digestible form of nourishment. The natural enzymes present in fresh juices further aid in the digestive process, promoting optimal nutrient absorption and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating juices into your diet, you can help improve your digestion, reduce digestive discomfort, and enhance nutrient absorption, paving the way for optimal health and vitality. So show your gut some love by incorporating delicious and nutritious juices into your daily routine. Our bodies are incredibly intelligent and have built-in detoxification systems to eliminate harmful substances. However, in today's world, we're constantly bombarded with toxins from our environment, the food we eat, and even stress. Juicing can be a powerful way to support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping it to function optimally and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Fruits and vegetables are naturally rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals. Leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach are abundant in chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps purify the blood and eliminate heavy metals. By incorporating a variety of detoxifying fruits and vegetables into your juices, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to cleanse and rejuvenate naturally. Supporting your body's natural detoxification processes is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing chronic diseases. Struggling to maintain a healthy weight? Juicing can be a valuable tool in your weight management journey. By replacing sugary drinks and processed foods with nutrient-rich juices, you're naturally reducing your calorie intake while flooding your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat, making them perfect for weight management. They're also packed with fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. When you consume fiber, it absorbs water in your digestive system, creating a sense of fullness and promoting regular bowel movements. Juicing can be particularly helpful for breaking through weight loss plateaus. When you consistently provide your body with nutrient-dense juices, you're supporting its natural metabolic processes, helping it to burn calories more efficiently. It's essential to combine juicing with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle for sustainable weight loss and overall well-being.